here's another update on the mystery plant. As you can see, it is starting to get seed pods now. They are so different looking. Even they're beautiful. They're even colorful. I'm just so happy with this plant. It's just keeps giving. It just, one minute you see one thing and you come back a week later and it looks totally different. It's still blooming, as you can see, but now the seed pods are coming up. So this is going to be a little bit longer blooming, probably maybe another 2-3 weeks. Could be longer, I don't know. We'll take another update. I just noticed the seed pods just from a few days ago. There was no seed pods at all. I just can't believe how everything just keeps changing. Now here's one where it's just now getting its seed pod. It's still pretty small. This plant just keeps giving. I just can't believe it. There's nothing about it that I don't like. Even when its seed pods come out, even that is beautiful. They're so colorful. Just love them. Well, we'll come back and check out our mystery plant later and see what it looks like. It's been a great show this time, hasn't it? I thoroughly have enjoyed it. Well, until the next update, my fairy followers, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. You can see I made an error here in my judgment. I love my little container and I love my little cherubs, but guess what? They don't go together. The cherubs are way too big for the small container and you can't even see my primrose. Oh, this makes me sad. Now I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board and figure out what I want to do. Maybe instead of making one Valentine's fairy garden, maybe I'm going to have to make two. One with cherubs and one without. You can see without the cherubs it looks sort of pretty, but I still need something small at the bottom. I don't know yet, and a little more of the green gravel. So I'll have to look around my yard and see what I can find, but I'm sure if I look hard enough I can find something to put in here without spending any more money. Back with the finished product. I found something smaller for this Valentine's fairy garden. It looks like two fairies in love. So this ended up costing $3.50, including the ground cover. The fairies I already had, the container I already had, and so it wasn't bad at all. Then over here I did get to use those little angels. So the container, this thing here in the back, I already had for like 4 or 5 years. I spent $3 for the fern, and I finished up the rest of the bag on this one of the green pebbles. And so I have 3 for the plant, 4, 5, maybe $5.50 I'm into this one here for. Because I already had the container, I already had the fairies, already had that pretty little thing in the background. So $5.50 for this one, $3.50 for this one. 2 fairy gardens under $10. Can you believe it? I'm getting better at this every day. Well, these are my 2 Valentine fairy gardens this year. I was only going to have 1 and it ended up being 2. Well, I think we're done. As you can see, I got 2 in. Come back and see us again soon and see what we do for the next holiday. Bye-bye. To all my fairy followers, I thought I'd just give you a little look at what we've done. The fairies have been working very, very hard on it, as you can see. They finally got a house built where they can rest at night. And there's still some more plants to be put, but it's starting to look nice. They got a nice little path they're working on. Needs a little more work, but it's looking better every week. I'm so glad that I have you all here experiencing this with me. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget, push that button down there. Has started. They are having so much fun, as you can see. Oh, it's been a wonderful day today. They have decorated so beautifully with so much color in the fairy garden. Here they are, the newlyweds, the center of attention. They are such a loving couple. I'm sure they're going to have a wonderful, wonderful life. And here are some of their friends playing for the reception. Isn't it great? They're having so much fun. Boy, are they play some lively, lively music. Everyone's starting to get in the swing of everything. They're all out here starting to dance. I hate to think what it's going to be like in a couple more hours. They're all getting all excited and happy. It's going to be a great celebration. Oh, look at everyone. They are having a great, great time. They just love all this excitement. You know the fairies love to dance all night, so I don't think Grandma's going to be able to stay up much later. They've been going full swing all day. I'm getting tired, but they look like they're just starting to get ready to go. See you guys in the morning. Bye-bye. Here's the home that Love built. He loved her so much, as you can see here. He found 2 leaves curled up like a half a heart, and he put them together to make a whole, to show their lives put together. Isn't that romantic?